Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a paper sumo wrestling game. First, let's gather our simple materials. You'll need 2 square pieces of paper, about 6 inches by 6 inches for your wrestlers. Standard origami paper works perfectly, or you can cut regular paper to size. Grab some scissors and colorful markers for decorating. Finally, find a piece of sturdy cardboard, roughly 12 inches by 12 inches, to create your exciting sumo ring. It's a fun and easy craft for everyone. Now let's craft our mighty sumo wrestlers. Take 1 square paper, colored side down, and fold it in half along both diagonals, then unfold. Next, bring all 4 corners into the center, creating a smaller square. This is called a blintz fold. Now, carefully fold and swing out the paper flaps to form the arms and legs. Fold the top point down to shape the head, then fold your wrestler in half to give it a stable base. Repeat these steps for your second wrestler. Every great sumo match needs a proper dohyo or wrestling ring. Take your cardboard piece, about 12 inches by 12 inches, and draw a large circle in the center. An 8 to 10 inch diameter is ideal for your paper wrestlers. You can use a plate or a compass to get a perfect circle. To add an exciting element to the game, place a stack of paper or a small box underneath the center of your cardboard. This creates a slight wobble, making the matches more dynamic and unpredictable. It's time for the main event. Place your 2 paper sumo wrestlers inside the ring facing each other. The goal is simple: make your opponent fall over or push them out of the ring. To do this, gently tap the tabletop around the cardboard ring. The vibrations will make your wrestlers move and battle it out. Remember, no touching the wrestlers directly. The first one to fall or exit the ring loses. Have fun decorating your champions to make each match truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.